birth date of the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi.
Yes, this day is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti every year.
Today we are doing a story on him.
Great, can I join?
Chirag, yesterday there were a group of boys who had picked up a fight. I told fighting is useless. You know, I am a follower of non-violence.
Like Mahatma Gandhi?
Oh yes, now let us listen to the story.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi, an epitome of non-violence and patriotism. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the son of Karamchand Gandhi and Putlibai, was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in the state of Gujarat in India. Gandhi was a boy of strong principles. At the age of 19, Gandhi moved to London to study law. After he returned home, he began to practice law, but left for South Africa to work for a law firm and stayed there for 21 years. During those times, South Africa was dominated by the Europeans, and they treated the people with dark skin color very badly. Gandhi had the bitter experience of inequality in South Africa. On one such incident, he was forced to give up his first-class railway seat to a European. When Gandhi refused to do so, he was thrown out of the train. But Gandhi did not give up. Instead, he chose to fight against inequality. He fought bravely with a technique called non-violence. No weapon, no army, no destruction. Non-violence helped him to get respect for the Indians. They were treated well after that, and they could even cast their vote in the election. In 1914, Gandhi came back to India. At that time, the country was still under the British rule. Gandhi joined the freedom movement with his weapons, non-violence and non-cooperation movement. But Gandhi was determined. He started the Swadeshi movement, a boycott of the British goods by Indians and use of Indian goods. To protest against oppression of India and unjust laws, Gandhiji started Satyagraha in 1915. Champaran in Bihar was the first test case of Satyagraha. The government was compelled to look into the matter of injustice meted out to the poor indigo planters. This made Gandhiji more popular. Gradually, he became a leader of the leaders. The passing of the Rowlatt Act in 1919 was for the arbitrary arrest and imprisonment of the nationalists. Gandhiji launched an anti-Rowlatt Satyagraha on a mass scale. The British banned public meetings. In 1919, unaware of this ban, at Jallianwala Bagh, the people of Amritsar held a meeting to protest the arrest. General Dyer blocked the entrance route and ordered indiscriminate shooting. Hundreds of people were trapped and killed. The whole nation was in shock. But Dandi March marked the turning point in the Indian freedom movement. The Dandi March led to the Salt March. The salt tax imposed on the Indians did not allow Indians to collect, produce or sell salt. Indians were forced to buy salt from the Britishers after paying a huge tax. So the poor people could not buy salt. Gandhi organized a salt march in the month of March in 1930 with 78 people from his ashram in Ahmedabad to the seaside village of Dandi. On the way, they were joined by thousands of freedom fighters. The Britishers arrested Gandhi and his fellow men after he reached Dandi. The British Empire was shaken with the new way of fight that did not involve any weapons. They called him to London to discuss the reforms in India. They understood the power of non-violence. Gandhi began the Quit India movement in August 1942. He was arrested again and released in 1944. Finally, India achieved independence on 15th August 1947. Gandhi was assassinated on 30th January 1948 by Nathuram Godse, who disagreed with this principle of Gandhi. His autobiography, The Story of My Experiment with Truth, is surely a book of interest. The principle of Gandhiji influenced many human rights supporters across the world. A unique personality, Gandhiji preached what he practiced. Simple living and high thinking were his basic beliefs. Ahimsa or non-violence was the sole power, he said.
Let us all celebrate this Gandhi Jayanti by remembering Bapuji's principle of peace and non-violence.
Good morning, everyone. Today, Indian 20 or class 1 from Pelanwell School will honor to dress up like Gandhiji and represent my school on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. મારું નામ મોહનદાસ કરમચંદ ગાંધી છે. લોકો મને બાપુ મહાત્મા ગાંધી કહે છે. મોર જન્મ 2 ઓક્ટોબર 1869 ના રોજ પોરબંદરમાં ગુજરાતમાં થયો હતો. હું અહિંસા यानी सत्याग्रहમાં વિશ્વાસ કરું છું. Mohandas wanted to see the drama of Harishchandra. He went to his father, who was busy. Pa, let us go to the drama.
I am little busy with my work.
Can I go with my friends and watch the drama?
Okay, be careful and come home as soon as it is over.
In the drama, King Harishchandra lost his kingdom in order to uphold truth in life. This story made a deep impact in the mind of Mohandas. He wished with all his might that he, like Harishchandra, would have the strength to beat every danger and difficulty in the pursuit of truth. This is a great man. This drama made me realize the power of truth. We should follow to be truthful like him.
That is impossible.
From this moment, I will be truthful.
Let's see.
And from that day onwards, Mohan started living a truthful life. And when he grew up, he staked his life for the cause of truth, and the whole world wondered at his honesty and courage.
सुप्रभात बच्चों, गांधी जयंती के ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं आपको। मैं आज आप सभी को एक कहानी कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। कहानी कविता क्यों? क्योंकि यह एक कहानी है जो कविता के जैसे है। ठीक है बच्चों, तो हम शुरू करते हैं। नाम था उनका मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी। कोई बोले बापू, कोई बोले आजादी की आंधी। बचपन से ही उन्हें दो चीजों से था लगाव, एक थी सच्चाई, दूसरी थी पढ़ाई। बात उन दिनों की है जब भारत के ऊपर था अंग्रेजों का राज और गांधी जी का सपना था कि बिना बंदूक, बिना लड़ाई पहनाऊ में भारत को आजादी का ताज। गांधी जी के 3 बंदर रहते उनके मन के अंदर। अब बच्चों, आप पूछोगे बंदर और मन के अंदर? बंदर था या जादू था, या था कोई मस्त कलंदर? अब कहाँ से आए बंदर सारे? कोई बोला जापान से हैं प्यारे न्यारे। बंदर थे 3 और नाम भी थे हसीन।
मैं मिजारू बंदर हूँ। फ्रेंड्स, मैं आप सभी को ये संदेश देना चाहता हूँ, कभी भी गलत नहीं देखना चाहिए। सुप्रभात और सभी शिक्षकों, मेरा प्रणाम। मैं गांधी जी के 3 बंदरों में से एक बंदर हूँ। मेरा नाम इवाजू है। मैं कभी भी झूठ नहीं बोलता हूँ और ना ही कभी बुराइयाँ करता हूँ। धन्यवाद। मैं ठीका जारू बंदर हूँ। मैं ये बताता हूँ, हमें हमेशा बुरा नहीं सुनना चाहिए, हमें हमेशा अच्छा सुनना चाहिए। थैंक यू।
हमने सुना है गांधी जी के 3 बंदर रहते थे मन के अंदर। आँख, कान और मुंह दबाए जीने का वह सबक सिखाए। यही सबक था उनका टीचर, बने तभी वो सबके लीडर। गांधी जी के 3 बंदर रहते थे वो मन के अंदर। भारत छोड़ो, साइमन वापस जाओ, विदेशी चीजें फेंको और स्वदेशी अपनाओ। गांधी जी के 3 बंदर बोले हर भारतवासी के अंदर, बुरा न देखो, बुरा न बोलो, बुरा न तुम अपनाओ। जब भी मन में नफरत नाचे और लालच खटकाए, तीनों बंदर मन के अंदर यही तुम्हें सिखलाए। बुरा न देखो, बुरा न बोलो, बुरा न तुम अपनाओ। बुरा न सोचो, बुरा न बोलो, बुरा न रखो अंदर। हाथ उठाकर कहते हमसे गांधी जी के तीनों बंदर। आँख, कान और मुंह दबाए और जीने का वह सबक सिखाए। यही सबक था उनका टीचर, बने तभी वो सबके लीडर। गांधी जी के तीनों बंदर रहते थे वो मन के अंदर। धन्यवाद।
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. My name is Ibrahim Ahmed. I am Dante Ji. You must be a change you will see in the world. The future depends on what we do in the present. We can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. Thank you. teacher and me.
Very good morning to one and all. I hope everyone has enjoyed watching this program. I take this opportunity to thank our respected Principal Sir, Mr. John Stevens Gupta, for his constant support and guidance. On behalf of our Principal Sir, I wish to thank all our parents, students and teachers for devoting their precious time and efforts, as well as helping to make this program a successful one. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you everyone and wish you a wonderful day ahead.